Sånt ska till Eskonsalpa.
And today it's the 9th of September 2021. We have Laajavuorenrinne, Bredbergsbrinken, to reach the KSA here in Martinlaakso, modernized. Helsinki, Vantaa, Västra Vantaa in the Helsinki region, in Finland, with 6 floors here. And this was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1971, turning 50 years old this year in 2021. And it will be expected next year, 2022, and the serial number is VS2550, and the capacity is 3 persons or 5 rooms with 6 floors. No, these are 2 rides.
Yeah.
But in this case, at least here, the numbers are not original.
Yeah.
But we'll see in the rest of the staircases. And you can see underneath them, they just have the older font.
Yeah.
That looks strange.
Oh, yeah. Expected parkivais, mutta ei tee tai Suomen hissiurakointi.
Yeah. To a straight level. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's